Bore da, prynhawn da, neu noswaith dda. Today, I'm going to talk about a composer, one of the very, very best composers ever. And do you know what? He wrote his first piece of music when he was only 4 years old. Four years old. So, let's have a listen to this piece and see what we think. Do you remember last week we were talking about how it makes you feel, or maybe what pictures? Well, we could play the same game again today, so let's have a little listen to it. Hopefully it'll be different from the one last week, and we may have different pictures. Different pictures completely, who knows? Let's have a listen. So, what did we think, I wonder? Was that different from last week? Was it faster or slower? Shall we just have a little listen to a little bit from last week and then we can compare them? So, if we were thinking about animals, this time it might be it would be a faster one, wouldn't it, perhaps? Maybe it could be smaller and lighter, and it's quite a light piece, perhaps, isn't it? It doesn't sound like an elephant or anything, does it? But never mind animals, what else could it be describing? What else could it be, do you think? And how did it make you feel? Did you feel it was a happier piece? Perhaps last week's was maybe a little bit sadder, or maybe more beautiful, or it was slower, wasn't it? This one, maybe it made you want to get up and dance. Did you feel like dancing? It comes from a piece of music called a symphony, and a symphony is played by an orchestra. Do we know what an orchestra is? An orchestra is a load of people all together playing instruments. Lots of them, all playing their musical instruments. Like a choir, only a choir sings, and an orchestra plays musical instruments. And then what happens is they play pieces, and one of the pieces that they play is a sort of piece called a symphony. Symphony is a big piece of music, and it's chopped up into bits. And these bits are called movements. So you have your first movement, your second movement, your third movement, your fourth movement. You can have as many movements as you like. And the piece that I've just played to you today is the first bit, or the first movement, from a symphony by this chap who wrote his first piece of music when he was 4 years old. And his name was Mozart, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. And he was really, really good when he was a young boy. And he was really, really good when he was older as well. As the piece is quite short, I think we should listen to it once more and see if any other pictures come into your mind. Remember, I think this is probably a happier sort of a piece, isn't it? Certainly, it's a faster piece. So let's have a little listen, see what pictures come into our minds. Well, there we are. That's our piece for this week. It's a symphony by Mozart. It's actually his 40th. He wrote 41. So I hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully I'll see you next week for another exciting instalment.